Lisa Fletcher for Spotlight on America. We've been tracking disturbing developments with AI, including generative video, and how it can fool even your closest friends and family. But now I sit down with an AI expert who says this is way beyond fooling people on social media. It is now fooling the courts.
A case out of California sent shockwaves through the legal world. Plaintiffs accused of submitting AI-generated deepfake video as testimony.
I do hereby give my witness testimony.
The Silicon Valley judge spotted glitches, but experts say that was luck, and the technology is already beyond those telltale flaws.
Some of the stuff that was called out is still pretty obvious. It was looping video and, unnatural monotone voice and things like that. The more recent sophisticated models solve for these issues.
Brian Long is CEO of Adaptive Security. His company protects major brands from AI attacks. He says the deepfake technology will move into courtrooms faster than the safeguards.
This is your classic example of when you see a mouse, there's 20 more mice in the walls. The system does not have any good way to find and identify these types of materials.
Long suspects the California case wasn't the first, just the first we caught.
The system doesn't have a way to test for authenticity. It's going to get harder and harder to trust evidence.
A handful of judges nationwide are publicly confronting the problem.
We can't stand still on this.
Anna Blackburn-Rigsby is the chief judge of the District of Columbia Court of Appeals. She is leading an AI task force in D.C. and is part of a national group of legal experts working to set guardrails.
If you're in a trial court presenting a case and you're afraid as a litigant or as a party, maybe the other side is using evidence that's been altered by artificial intelligence. Does the judge know? Does the judge understand how this could impact my case?
She says courts are now confronting a threat no previous generation of judges has faced: high-quality digital evidence that can be completely fraudulent.
It is difficult. There are tools that we have available now, metadata, when you ask for the source materials. How did you make that video? And the chain of custody issues.
Blackburn-Rigsby is using her platform to push the legal community to confront the threat. She says the system depends on people believing the process is fair.
In order to maintain public trust and confidence in the courts and in our justice system, the folks who come into our courtrooms and courthouses every day have to have some level of confidence that we don't live in a bubble.
So, how do you stop fraud?
It's going to be almost an impossible challenge for a computer to look at a video and, by looking at the video, know that that video is authentic or not.
So the future of authentication, he says, isn't what you see, but where it came from. Source stamping, verified chain of custody, and in some cases, a return to in-person testimony.
This is an existential moment for their profession.
He warns the system must catch up or risk a future where tech-savvy criminals exploit deepfakes faster than courts can identify them, undermining the very process Americans rely on to deliver truth.
To see all of our investigations into deepfakes and its potential dangers, go to spotlightinvestigates.com. For Spotlight on America, I'm Lisa Fletcher.